Today's wine text is the Astrales Christina Ribera del Duero 2012. So I know we did an Astrales wine in the past, but this is one of their specialized bottles. This is definitely one of their higher end wines, and probably out of their entire lineup, one of the most collectible wines that they make. So the Christina is a special sourced wine that comes from one of their highest altitude vineyards, but it's also some of their oldest vines. Every grape that goes into this wine comes from vines that are at least 100 years old. The wine is big, massive fruit, lots of tannin, a ton of structure. The alcohol runs around 14.5%, which means it's going to be kind of overwhelming when it comes to drinking it right out of the bottle. But luckily for you, we were able to get our hands on the 2012 vintage. So 2012 was a great year in Ribera del Duero, one of the better ones I would say in the last 20 years or so. I know Wine Spectator has it up there as one of the better vintages as well. This wine with almost 8 years of age on it is where you kind of want to start drinking it. You're going to have it be a little bit more mellow out, that alcohol kind of ethanol thing's going to blow off, and this wine's going to become much more elegant and way more finessed. Easily a wine that you can hold on to for another 10, 15 years. If kept in the right conditions, I would say even longer than that. I know it's got huge scores across the board from some of the biggest wine writers, including Spectator. I think Vinous put their name on this, which if you ask anyone who works here, Vinous is one of the best writers when it comes to wine in general. Really good stuff, really tasty. You can open it now and not feel bad about it, but save some for the future. I think this is definitely a wine that you might come back to in 5-6 years and really be blown away. So, awesome. Enjoy.